Everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So welcome to video lecture 7. Today we will discuss about phases of lifespan. So don't forget to use your headphones for better sound quality. So after this video lecture we will complete reproduction in organisms. हम cover करेंगे different phases of lifespan को, that is juvenile phase or vegetative phase, second reproductive phase, and third is senescence or senescent phase. So let us begin with the juvenile or vegetative phase. Okay, so what is juvenile phase? So juvenile phase is a period of growth and development in an organism before attaining sexual maturity. Now सबसे पहले हम समझते हैं sexual maturity क्या है. So meaning of sexual maturity means that reproductive organs start producing gametes. इसको human के example से अगर हम समझें, so human male and females में around 11 to 13 years की age से females में egg production और males में sperm production start हो जाता है. That means इससे पहले का जो period है that is called juvenile phase, and after that period the reproductive phase will start. In plants the juvenile phase is called vegetative phase, and plants के अंदर भी flowering से पहले का जो phase है that is called vegetative phase. And in different types of organism this phase varies. Now moving to the reproductive phase. So reproductive phase is a period in which an organism attains sexual maturity and reproduce through sexual reproduction. इस phase के अंदर reproductive organs active हो जाते हैं, mature हो जाते हैं, they start producing male and female gametes. And one more thing that जब individual juvenile phase से reproductive phase की तरफ move कर रहा होता है, so it experiences physiological and morphological changes that ultimately contributed towards sexual maturity. Now in reproductive phase we will discuss about annual, biennial and perennial plants, and we will also discuss about the cyclic changes in placental female mammals. So let us begin with annual, biennial and perennial plants. So those plants which complete their life cycle in one growing season or 1 year, they are called annual plants. वो plant जो अपनी life cycle को एक साल के अंदर या एक सीजन के अंदर कंप्लीट कर लें, ऐसे प्लांट्स को हम एनुअल प्लांट्स कहते हैं. ऐसे प्लांट सिर्फ एक सीजन के लिए या एक साल के लिए ही सर्वाइव करते हैं. दैट मीन्स सीड जर्मिनेट के बाद प्लांट्स के अंदर ग्रोथ हुई, ग्रोथ करने के बाद प्लांट्स में फ्लावरिंग हुई, फ्लावरिंग के बाद पॉलिनेशन हुआ, पॉलिनेशन के बाद जो है क्या नाम है फर्टिलाइजेशन के इवेंट्स हुए, फिर एम्ब्रियो बना, देन फिर सीड बना. सो दिस विल कंप्लीट इन वन ग्रोइंग सीजन. एग्जाम्पल्स आर व्हीट एंड rice. Next are biennial plants. Those plants which complete their life cycle in 2 growing season or 2 years, such plants are called biennial plants. Biennial plants अपनी life cycle को 2 growing season में complete करते हैं. First year में vegetative growth complete होती है और second year में reproductive growth, that means flowering और fruiting complete होती है. So example is carrot. Now it is important to understand that in annual plants and biennial plants all the 3 phases, that is vegetative phase, reproductive phase and senescent phase, are clearly distinguished. Now next are perennial plants. Those plants which survive for more than 2 years are called perennial plants. Perennial plants 2 से ज़्यादा साल के लिए survive करते हैं, and during their lifetime ऐसे plants mostly एक बार से ज़्यादा flowering करते हैं. So perennial plants जो हैं वो 2 साल से ज़्यादा survive करते हैं and they flowers multiple time. So it is difficult to categorize their lifespans into vegetative phase, reproductive phase and senescent phase. However, annual plants and biennial plants, they have a fixed life cycle. Annual plants की life cycle 1 year की होती है and biennial plants की life cycle 2 years की होती है. They start their growth and died in a specified time. So all the 3 phases, that is vegetative phase, reproductive phase and senescent phase are clearly defined. Now let us take examples of some other plants which have unusual or unique flowering phenomena. For example, few species of bamboo flowers only once during their lifetime, that is around after 50 to 100 years and dies. So कुछ bamboo species ऐसी हैं जो कि अपने पूरे लाइफ स्पैन में एक ही बार फ्लावर करते हैं years and dies. So such type of plants जो कि सिर्फ अपने लाइफ स्पैन में एक ही बार फ्लावरिंग करते हैं, ऐसे प्लांट्स को कहते हैं monocarpic plants. Now there is one more interesting example called Strobilanthes kunthiana, commonly known as Neelkuranji. It flowers once in 12 years. ये हर 12 साल बाद flowering करता है और it flowers in the hilly area of Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. So lastly it flowered in 2018 and the entire valley becomes bluish in color due to this flowering. और काफी सारे टूरिस्ट लोग इसको विजिट करने आते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावरिंग. ओके, And now talk about the cyclic changes in placental female mammals. So there are two types of cycles. One is called estrous cycle and another is called menstrual cycle. So basically, estrous cycle is a characteristic of non-primate female placental mammals. However, the menstrual cycle is a characteristic of primate female placental mammals. So जो estrous cycle है वो characteristic है प्लेसेंटल फीमेल मैमल्स का जो कि नॉन प्रीमेट्स में आते हैं. नॉन प्रीमेट्स में एग्जांपल काओ, टाइगर एक्सेट्रा. और मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक वो है प्लेसेंटल फीमेल मैमल्स का जो कि प्रीमेट्स में आते हैं. प्रीमेट्स में एग्जांपल ह्यूमन, मंकीज, एप्स. हाउ विल यू डिफाइन दीज साइकिल्स? So the cyclic change in ovarian, accessory ducts and hormonal activities during reproductive phase in non-primate female placental mammals is called estrous cycle. However, the cyclic changes in ovarian, accessory ducts and hormonal activities during reproductive phase in primate female placental mammals is called menstrual cycle. So you should remember the examples. One more important thing, that animals having estrous cycle are sexually active during estrous phase, जिसे हम heat period भी कहते हैं. Okay, now let us discuss two important terms. One is seasonal breeders and one is continuous breeders. So basically seasonal breeders means वो animals जो कि particular season में breed करते हैं, and continuous breeder means जो throughout the season breed करते हैं. So how will you define the seasonal breeders? Mammals living in wild or natural conditions are reproductively active, means show cyclic changes only during favorable season in their reproductive phase. For example, goat, sheep, etc. And in such animals, the successful mating occurs only during favorable season in their reproductive phase. जो seasonal breeders होते हैं वो reproductive phase में particular favorable season में ही successfully mate कर पाते हैं. And जो ये seasonal breeders होते हैं basically वो mammals होते हैं जो कि wild या forest या natural conditions में रहते हैं. Next are continuous breeders. So mammals like humans are reproductively active or show cyclic changes throughout their reproductive phase. So this is all about the reproductive phase. Moving to the third phase of lifespan, that is senescent phase. So this phase is also known as biological aging. During this phase, death rate increases, and this is the last phase of lifespan, and it is characterized by the end of reproductive phase and the metabolism gets slower down. So this is all about this lecture. I hope you like this lecture and आपको इस lecture का content पसंद आया हो. So don't forget to share, subscribe and like. Develop, nourish and amplify your knowledge. Stay blessed. Thank you.